I'm just going to ask you guys questions. I'm going to see if you guys been studying, if you guys been putting in the work, right? So, like I said, I will start my analysis on a monthly time frame. But this is ERCHF. I'm going to start by placing my key support level, right? Down there. Touch went all the way up, reject went all the way up. This is a good support level. Then I'm going to place my resistance level. Oh, this would have been a nice trade, Zay. I'm going to place my support level, sorry, resistance level up there, right? Touch, 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 rejection, rejection, rejection. Guys, every time you see something like this, right? Breaks above, making you think that it's going to go up, right? Obviously, that's a liquidity sweep up there. Guess what? That's the move that you're waiting on for you to sell it right here, right? The minute you see the market done, liquidated all the buyers thinking the market was going to go up, because it did break above 0.97123. But guess what? Right? Dumped right below, and this is the move for you to place a sell, right? The minute you see the market rejected that at that level, this would have been a good time to sell it, right? But nonetheless, we do not trade the monthly time frame like that. The only reason we place the key support and resistance levels because we know every time the market goes for one of those lines, sorry, is going to react to it, right? So this is the weekly time frame, ERCHF. Yet again, those levels are still pretty much valid. Now I'm going to ask you guys questions so you guys can help me out, right? So ERCHF weekly time frame. What was this? Would you guys call this an uptrend or a downtrend?
That'll be an uptrend.
Uptrend, right? What is the current trend of the market right now? Is it still trending up or is it trending down?
Down.
Down. And then what kind of structure do you get on a downtrend?
Lower lows and lower highs.
Lower lows and lower highs. And who said that? Rika, was it you?
Yeah, that was me.
Okay. Yeah, you can tell Rika been putting in the work, man. So, right. But nonetheless, like Rika said, this was an uptrend and the market is currently trending down. So on a downtrend, you get lower highs and lower lows, like Rika said. As you can see, this is a high. The market dropped to give you a low, went all the way up to give you a lower high because this low is lower than the previous high. Then the market went all the way down to give you a lower low because this low is lower than this low. It went all the way up to give you another lower high, right? So if the market is trending down, guys, make sure you look for sales only and make sure you're getting at the next lower highs. If you match what I just said, when I tell you most of the time, and you'll be trading stress-free because you know the trend is on your side. And when you do take losses, it's because there's some type of reversal or news happening, right? But try your best to be on the right side of the market at all times. At all times, just try your best to be on the right side. And this is exactly how I trade. And that's what made me become a full-time day trader, because I trade with the trend, right? If it is going up, I'm following it. If it's going down, I'm following it, right? So the market was, ERCHF was trending up, as you can see, right? Break, retest of the uptrend. We're no longer interested in that. We're going to focus on what's going on right now, right? So Rika already got the trend right on ERCHF on the weekly time frame. So now all we have to do is mark our key structures, right? So as you can see, this was the previous high, right? The market went all the way down to give you a low, right? And then the minute you see, right, the minute you realize the market broke the broke the uptrend, sorry, and then it is going down, and then you see it retracing, you best be ready for the market to give you a lower high, and this is where you get in and make money, right? So all you have to do, guys, is go to insert, grab your Fibonacci retracement, place it from the high, right, to the low, and I can guarantee you guys this is going to be a 61% retracement. When I tell you, man, the strategy works so well with pretty much every pairs, right? But I like trading pairs that I took the time to backtest, right? So as you can see, the market went all the way up to give you white guys, right? 1, 2, 3 touches at the 61%, right? You get in on the sell, right? And oof, that would have been a lot of money right there, right? Get on the sale, and you're gonna have to write it all the way down to the 0%. That's where your TP1 is going to be at. That's about 280 some pips. And then, like I told you guys previously, right? If the market is trending down, you should get something lower than this, right? And this is where the minus 27% comes into play, right? Because if you do hold it, right? You take partial profit or full profit at 0%, and then you can also hold it all the way to minus 27%, which would have been almost double your money, right? 400 pips, right? And then as soon as the market goes for the minus 27%, guys, you're gonna have to expect some type of retracement on the way up to give you the next lower high again, right? You caught your bag, you get out at the 0% or minus 27%, and you repeat the same process over and over and over and over again, right? So the market created the lower low, something lower than this. And let's go into the daily time frame. It will make a lot of more sense, right? Lower high, low, lower high, lower low, and then guys, it went all the way up to give you a what? What would you guys call this?
Lower high.
Lower high. And then how would you make money from this guy? How would you know it is a good time to get in?
Place your fib.
Exactly.
Place your fib, bro.
All you gotta do again, repeat the same process, right? Let's say from the most recent lower high, right, which is this guy, to the most recent low, to the most recent lower low, sorry, and guess what, guys, right? Magic, right? The reason I'm not going to place it down there because I have a strong feeling this was probably news, right? So it is we cannot use this technical analysis on news, right? But I'm going to place it. I'm going to place it here because I feel like that was definitely news because that was probably like a whole 80 pips move just that week, right? So guess what? The market went all the way up, right? Trying to touch the 61%, right? Yet again, you should know when to get in because as soon as you realize the market started buyers starting to lose control. Look at that, right? Buyers are in control, buyers are in control, buyers are in control, and then you get this, then you get this, you get that huge bearish candle telling you, yo, sellers are in control and the market is about to drop, right? You get in, place your stop loss above the previous structure, right? I usually aim to a 40 minus 45 pips. That's my max for stop loss, right? Guess what? Right, and then you're gonna have to write it all the way down to the 0% for TP1. Then you're gonna have to write it. You can even hold it if you want all the way down to minus 27 down there. But usually 0%, that's where you should be thinking on taking your money or take partial, or if you want to hold it to minus 27. Because remember, guys, if the market is trending down, you're gonna get something lower than this. You're gonna get a lower low, right? You got a high, low, lower high, lower low, right? This guy's lower than this, lower high again, and you should get another lower low, right? This was a beautiful setup. To be honest, I didn't take it because I'm already in GN, I'm already in AN, I'm already in EU or AUD. One thing about trading, guys, you must have a set of rules and you must follow it to the T, right? Zay and I, we created some rules, and I am pretty sure I shared that into the Booming FX group chat with you guys. You must follow it to the T, right? I'm not trying to have a lot of trades running. Yes, we could have made money trading EU or AUD, but also if it did go against us, we would have taken a major L because that's us breaking the rules. That's us over trading, and it is not worth it to me, right? That's trading. That's trading. The technical analysis part is very easy to understand, right? But you must create a system that works for you, and you must follow the system. I'm saying all the time you must follow that system, right? Because every time I take an L, I know why I lose the trade, right?